46, or 23 pairs, is the standard number of chromosomes found in the nucleus of every human cell. 84,600, or 42,300 pairs, is the sock order placed with Cresswell Mills in Henniger, Alabama by the HudsonAlpha Institute for Biotechnology in Huntsville, Alabama. So, what does one set of numbers have to do with the other, and how are we knitting together human biology, a sock mill, and a biotech institute? Dr. Neil Lamb, Director of Educational Outreach at HudsonAlpha, explains what could be referred to as applied sockology.
At the request of the Alabama State Department of Education, HudsonAlpha's Educational Outreach Team created 2 activities which will be used by students in the public schools beginning in the fall of 2011. For both activities, the socks represent chromosomes, which are made of DNA and carry the traits of inheritance. Chromosomes are found inside cells, and in many organisms they come in pairs, with one being inherited from each parent. We worked with Alabama-based Cresswell Mills and designed the chromosocks to be different sizes and colors, reinforcing the fact that chromosomes come in multiple sizes. So in one activity, students used the chromosocks to explore the different stages of meiosis.
Meiosis is the formation of egg and sperm cells. In sexually reproducing organisms, body cells are diploid, meaning they contain 2 sets of chromosomes, 1 set from each parent. To maintain this state, the egg and sperm that unite during fertilization must be haploid, meaning they each contain a single set of chromosomes. During meiosis, diploid cells undergo DNA replication, followed by 2 rounds of cell division, producing 4 haploid sex cells.
In another activity, the chromosocks helped illustrate Gregor Mendel's laws of inheritance.
Gregor Mendel was an Austrian monk who in the 19th century worked out the basic laws of inheritance. In his monastery garden, Mendel performed thousands of crosses with garden peas. Mendel explained his results by describing 2 laws of inheritance that introduced the idea of dominant and recessive traits.
All the components of these activities are distributed to classrooms and teachers through the Alabama Math, Science, and Technology Initiative, the State Department of Education's program that trains teachers to incorporate hands-on math and science. HudsonAlpha supports AmSty, knowing that these types of activities increase student comprehension in these critical subject areas. AmSty also provides examples of math, science, and technology-oriented careers. In this way, AmSty and HudsonAlpha aim to help prepare a future workforce that can create and maintain a vibrant economy in our state. 12 classroom sets of chromosoc meiosis and 12 additional sets of modeling Mendel have been provided to each of the 11 AmSty hub sites. HudsonAlpha and AmSty personnel assembled the kits at the Athens hub site. Additional support for the chromosoc kit was generously provided by U.S. Senator Richard Shelby and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. You might say we've really run the anklet on this one.